How to use Microsoft Copilot in Word. Here are some useful ways to enable Microsoft Copilot in Word. Use Windows Registry Editor. You can use the Registry Editor to create a string value that enables Copilot in Word. To do this, follow these steps. Get a valid Microsoft 365 subscription. Open the Run dialog. Box by pressing Win plus R. Type regedit into the text box and click OK to open Windows Registry Editor. Navigate to hkey_current_user /software/Microsoft/common/experiment configs/external feature overrides/word. Right-click the Word key, select the new menu, and select the string value option. Name the key Microsoft. .office.word.copilot experiment and press enter. Double-click the newly created key and set its value to true to enable Copilot. Click the OK button. Restart the computer. Use the language settings. You can use the language settings in Word to enable suggestions with Copilot. To do this, follow these steps. Open Word and go to File Options Language. Under Personalize your editor, check the box next to Suggestions with Copilot. Click OK to save your changes and restart Word. Join the Office Insider program. You can join the Office Insider program to get early access to new features and updates, including Copilot. To do this, follow these steps. Open Word and go to File Account, click the Office Insider menu, and choose Join Office Insider. Select the Beta Channel option and click OK. Restart Word and check for updates.